Hi guys, Mrs. Sapola here, just coming on to do a quick video about volume of a cone. Okay, so here on your screen, or like on your computer in the slides, you see our anchor chart, which is reminding you about what we did last week. Volume of a cylinder, so this is a cylinder, right? Volume of a cylinder is pi, which is 3.14, times the radius squared, which is radius, times the height. Okay, now we're talking about the volume of a cone. And if you notice, it's like the same exact thing as right here. So if you look like, ooh, what am I doing? Sorry. This pi r squared times the height. It's right here, pi r squared times the height. There's just this little extra piece, 1/3. Why is that? Well, if you look here, it kind of shows you. It would take 3 filled up cones to equal 1 cylinder. So that's where the whole 1/3 comes from. So if you were to fill up a cone that has the same base, like the same circular bottom and the same height as a cylinder, it would take 3 full cones to equal the 1 cylinder. That's why we put the 1/3 in before the pi r squared. Oh my gosh, Caroline! You know everyone can hear you on my video. So that's kind of a little bit of information about the formula. Now I just want to do a couple examples. I'm going to go to my camera here. Hi guys! Here I want to do a little example, a couple examples. So, what color? Let's go with these. So, it says, we're talking about volume of a cone. Here's a cone, right? Radius, remember, is halfway across, so there's R. And then height is obviously our distance up. So they're telling us here a pile of sand has a height of 5 feet and a radius of 2 feet. What is the volume? Okay, so let's do the math here. So let's do 1/3 times, now for pi we use 3.14, times the radius is 2 squared times the height, which is 5. So I'm going to put it in my calculator. So 1/3, so this is how we make the fractions, that ABC key, times 3.14 times 2 squared times 5. Just put the whole thing in. We're going to round to the nearest tenth here, so this will be 20.9. So our volume is 20.9 feet cubed. Remember, the little 3 is for volume. And that is your answer right there. Okay, just used my formula that was written up here and plugged in my values for pi, r, and h. All right, one more example here. So for this example, it's talking about an ice cream cone. Again, cone, so I used this formula. It tells me here the height is 5 inches, and then it tells me the diameter. It says the diameter is 3 inches, but I don't use diameter in my formula. I use radius. So at this point, I'm like, okay, diameter is the whole way across. I want radius. I want halfway across. So if the diameter is 3 inches, that would mean the radius is half of 3, which is 1.5. So 1.5 is half of 3. So then I can do my math. 1/3 times 3.14 times 1.5 squared times 5. Oh, these both have a height of 5. Isn't that interesting? So, calculator again. 1/3, 1 ABC3, times 3.14 times 1.5 squared times 5. And again, if I'm going to the nearest tenth, so 11.7, is it going to stay 7 or is it going to go up? Well, I look at the number next to it. Since that's a 7 as well, remember if it's 5 or more, move up. So this will be 11.8. So my volume here is 11.8, and I'm talking inches cubed. There we go. All right, just 2 little problems to hopefully help you get going here. You watch this video. Ooh, I need a secret word. Let's go with this guy right here. Coca-Cola. That's the secret word to prove that you watched my video. Coca-Cola. Answer that. So that's the next thing you actually got to do. If you come onto your slide, you'll watch the video. Type in the secret word, which is Coca-Cola, and then you have a quick, short little Google form here. Submit your slides, and you are done. All right, hope you guys have a good day. Hopefully you find some time to get this done, and I will hopefully see you later.